Oxford wide-ruled filler paper is one of those basics that quietly makes your whole life easier. This is the 8 by 10.5 loose leaf 3-hole punched, and you get a full 500 sheets in the pack, so you're not running out right when things get busy. I love the wide ruled spacing, especially if you like your notes and recipes and such to look neat and actually readable. It gives your handwriting room to breathe, which sounds small, but it makes a big difference. And the paper quality is solid. I can write on both sides with my everyday pens, and I'm not dealing with that annoying ink bleed through or smearing. It fits standard 3-ring binders and folders with fasteners, so it's easy to keep each subject or for your recipes organized without overthinking it. If you're stocking up for school or for your kitchen or office, this is the kind of practical purchase that just feels smart. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.